Boom. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome. This is Julian Fish Academy. I am currently standing somewhere. Let me just show myself. Have a view. You can see a 500 capacity over here. You see a 2-layer table, and you see a 12-layer bread collector. Okay. So this job actually belongs to a client. He called and ordered for all you have just seen, and it's a bakery company. And he needed a 500 capacity JBF oven, and he needed also a table, a stainless table, 2-layer stainless table, and he also ordered for 12 layers bread collector, movable one, everything made up of stainless. Anything that has to do with heating actually requires something that is very strong, something stainless, something that does not emit impurity or heating. So that is exactly what he has recommended for, and by the grace of God, we have completed this project and we are at the point of delivery. So before the delivery is made, I will quickly, sorry for the noise that you hear in the background. We are in a very busy place, okay? This is Ohoro Junction, Benin City. A very noisy place. This is Ohoro Junction, and if you follow this road, it will take you to Uniben, it will take you to Lagos, it will take you to Abuja, and all that. Then if you follow this particular road, it will take you to the east, Asaba, Delta State, Enugu, Anambra, Imo State, and all that. So this is called Ohoro Junction, Benin City. So feel free to call us each time you are looking for us, or you can even come and locate us here directly. We mean what we do, and we always display and exactly produce what we display. So do not have fear of maybe products not being genuine. All our products are genuine, and we are not hidden, we are not hiding. So we have a venue, we are registered, so you can always track us or track us anytime you want to. So feel free to patronize us. Do not have that fear. We know that a lot of people actually there are out to scam others, but we are the last people that have scamming in the back of our memory. We have more to offer. We don't even think about scam. All right, so basically, let me introduce you to everything we have here, and let's see what comes out of it. Let me turn the camera to the front one. So basically, this is an overview. Sorry for the noise you hear in the background. Then this is a 500 capacity JBF oven. What you have here is a double layer table, and the size of this table is 4 feet by 8 feet by 3 feet high. And then amazingly, we have this 12-layer bread collector, of course, with rollers at the bottom. And of course, the height of this is 7 feet, but this is about 7.5 feet. We have to include half feet for the sake of aesthetic purpose and give it enough separation between one part of the tray and the other, so that it can accommodate any size of bread you want to accommodate. So this is the back view of the product. So very briefly, Mr. Omo, your job is complete. I am doing this roundabout so that you can have a total view of what you have ordered for, and it is well designed and will be sent to you shortly. So quickly, let me take you inside the oven first. All right, so boom, ladies and gentlemen, 500 capacity JBF oven, a masterpiece, and this belongs to Mr. Omo. Yeah, he's actually abroad, and he has ordered for all this you see around. Everything you see here, he has ordered for it. And we are going to do that and send to him as at when due. So very briefly, this is your cooking compartment. The whole of this part is the cooking compartment, okay? Or let me just call it a fire burning department. Now here you find base collectors. These base collectors are just for aesthetic purpose. They don't really have much to do. All you need to do, just lift your oven and put it at the bottom. That's just what it does, aesthetic purpose. And then you have your pairs of thermal insulated gloves, and the function of this glove is just to help you change your rack during the drying process. That's just the job, so that in case they are very hot, you can use it to change your rack as time goes on. Then this is a gas burner. So the function of this gas burner is, of course, provide flame in the oven. And for it to provide flame, first you will lose this, remove the flame controller, and then pass it through that hole you see over there. So by the time you pass the bag through that hole, then these two nuts, 1 and 2, will be fastened through here, 1 and 2, and you tie it tight fittingly. Then at the back, you can now go back and insert your flame controller first, then you insert this. Then from here you can take your hose to your gas burner. So your gas burner to your cylinder, where you will have a supply of gas so that you can enhance combustion. So you have two of these. This is the first and this is the second. So there are two burners inside, and then these are your charcoal collectors. They are charcoal collectors. The function of this charcoal collector is to collect your charcoal, which you can use to burn and do your baking or whatsoever you want to use the oven for. So you pour the charcoal here, and it can give you just what you want. So another amazing thing you need to know about this oven is that it has the ability to use gas and charcoal at the same time. Gas and charcoal simultaneously. Okay, this one is already partially installed. All you need to do is to fasten this nut. Then this one too will come in here. Remember, you will remove the flame controller and remove the valve before you pass it through, okay? And then you have your two burners here. You have your charcoal collector. You have your charcoal collector here. You can light your charcoal and light your burner at the same time. That is a gap this oven is filling in the oven construction market. Our ovens can dry with charcoal and gas simultaneously, thereby giving you high quantity of heat. Within a short period of time, you have your job done and perfectly done. All right, so that is that for the cooking compartment. Then the next is this tray. The function of this tray is to act as a hot plate. Because this is a bread oven, the job of this plate, there are two of them, is to separate whatsoever you are baking here from raw fire. Raw fire coming from your charcoal or raw fire or coming from your gas burner. So it acts as a hot plate. It receives the heat and radiates it. The heat will travel from this side of the oven into the entire part of the oven, and it goes like that. So these are your hot plates, and that's the job they do. Then the next are the racks. We have removable racks, all three. All of them are removable. And you have a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 racks. 20 racks is what you have here, and this is how amazing the oven looks like. This is 500 capacity JBF oven, and you can use it for multi-purpose. You can use it to bake bread, you can use it to dry fish, you can use it to bake cakes, you can use it to do meat pie, many other things. And then of course, not forgetting the chimney, okay? This is the chimney. This is another chimney where communication takes place between the inside of the oven and outside of the oven. Excess heat will escape the oven through these terminals you see at the top. And then here, your gas burners will shoot out from here. So I will lose this one. I haven't removed this. The next thing I will do is to go and fasten it back because I want to make it portable for delivery. All right, so let me take you back inside the oven and get that one settled. All right, so first is your flame controller, after which you pass your valve and close. So that is exactly how the operation is done. So next we are going to look at is the 2-layer table. Now this is a 2-layer table. Sorry for the noise you hear in the background. We are in a very noisy place in Benin City, okay? This is a 2-layer table made up of stainless material. Mr. Romo, this is the table you have ordered for, and by the grace of God, we have completed your project. And it is very strong. This is about 3 feet high. There are 2 layers. This is the bottom layer, and then this is the top layer. And the dimension of this table, this is 4 feet wide. And then you have a breadth of 6 feet. So from here to here is 6 feet, and then from here to here is 4 feet. Then the height from here to here is 3 feet with some little inches higher. In fact, we made it 40 inches just for the sake of aesthetics. But if 40 inches is too much for you, we can always reduce it. But trust me, the size of this oven, or the size of this table is just perfect to work, and it's wide enough to do every other business you want to use the table for. Everything here you see is Miro stainless. And then finally, we have amazingly the 12 tray stainless bread collectors. Oh yes, look at how beautiful and edifice looks like. Yeah, it's properly done. The finishing is superb. And what you see here has 12 tray. Yeah, you heard me well. Everything Miro stainless. And it comes with movable legs, okay? So all these legs you see here, they can rotate, and you can just move the tray left, right, and center and move it from one direction to another. This is for the second one. The third one is over there, while the other one is over there. So it comes with 12. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12, okay? So it's above 7 feet. Let's call it 7.5 feet. Purposely made it 7.5 feet so that it will have enough spacing between each of them so that it can accommodate the bread you want to use it for. This product is a beautiful one. If you're watching us and you need something like this for your bakery company, do well to call our members, and we will do this masterpiece, design it, and send it to you anywhere you find yourself in Nigeria. This is Julie Fish Academy. Do not be afraid to patronize us. We are not 419. We don't hide our identity. We reveal where we are in all our videos. As I speak to you right now, we are directly opposite Adonai building. A very busy area. This area is called Ohoro Junction, Benin City. Ohoro Junction, Benin City. Just ask for anybody, where is Ohoro Junction in Benin, and they will take you there, and there you will find us. If you have a relative in Benin and you are skeptical about what we do, just send your relative to us to come and spy, come and see what we do, to be rest assured that yes, these guys actually know what they do and they mean what they do. So we are not hidden. Ohoro Junction is our venue. This road will take you to the east. If you follow it straight, it will take you to the east. Lagos, I say Lagos, Anambra State, Asaba, Delta State, Enugu, Imo State, and all that. Then if you follow from here straight, I think this bus is actually obstructing my vision. Okay, I think you can see that clearly. If you follow this road straight, it will take you to Lagos, Abuja, and all that. So basically, Ohoro Junction, Benin City is where we are. And then this is our office. Inside there, you see some other products we have for display. Thanks for watching, guys. God bless you. And we await your call. Boom.